beautiful people. It has been a minute and we are back on YouTube. Hey, listen. Have you ever tried nachos? Do you know what are nachos? If yes, how did that go for you? Do you have any special recipes that you use? If not, you are in luck today. So join me in the kitchen as I take on the challenge of making fun nachos for kids at home. Let's see if I can create a tasty snack that will make everyone happy. So without further ado, today we are going to make some delicious and colorful nachos that any kid will love, and they will especially enjoy helping out with preparing this. As a mother, finding meals that kids enjoy making and eating can be challenging, especially when it comes to healthy options. I know I'm not the only one who struggle to get their kids to eat something besides pizza or mac and cheese. It can be very stressful. Trying to come up with new ideas that your kids will actually like, and the worst part of it, when you spend hours in the kitchen only to have them turning their heads or nose at the table. Don't worry, I am here to help with this recipe. We are going to make something that is not only delicious but also fun for the kids to help with. They will love getting their hands dirty and making their own nachos. I have found that involving my kids in the cooking process can make a huge difference in how excited they are to eat what they have made. It also makes it fun and interactive, and not just me standing at the stove and stirring a pot. What I want to is to create an experience that will make them remember and want to repeat. Who knows? You might just be creating a little chef in the making. So with that said, let's get started with our recipe. The key to making this recipe successful is to keep it simple and let the kids choose the reins. Let them choose the toppings, the type of cheese they want to use. You will be surprised at how much fun they will have and how proud they will be of what they have created.
Vamos todos a disfrutar, bailando reggaeton sin parar.
This is also actually good for anyone that has picky eaters. I have them in my home. So yeah, this is a good recipe. You can use ground beef like I'm using here. If not, you can also just leave that out. Some people will go ahead and just have veggies on it. It's all up to you. Make it creative, make it fun. So yeah.
Mi corazón, ven y mueve tu cuerpo al son. Las luces brillan, la fiesta empieza. El reggaetón nos enloquece. Dame la mano, vamos a bailar. Siente el ritmo, déjate llevar. No importa el lugar, no importa el momento. La pista de baile es nuestro sustento. Oh yeah. Esta fiesta no se detiene. La música nos envuelve, nos mantiene. Vamos todos a disfrutar.
Enjoying the music here. Can you hear the music in the background? Let me know, let me know. Now everything is well cooked. Our ground beef is all cooked, so we are going to start preparing our nachos. So let's explore the ingredients you will need. The simple step to prepare the nachos and some fun toppings that kids can choose from. To start, you will need some tortilla chips, cheese, jalapenos, any of your favorite toppings like beans, salsa, sour cream. You can customize this to your kids' taste, so don't be afraid to be creative. So the next step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and in this case I'll be using the microwave instead of the oven. So whilst you're heating up the oven, we can start assembling our nachos. As you can see here, this is the fun part where the kids can get involved and start adding their favorite toppings. We will start with a layer of the tortilla chips, followed by the ground beef, as you can see there, and then we sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and then some jalapeno if you have some chilies if you like it spicy. After that, we can add beans, salsa, sour cream. The possibilities are endless, guys. Let the kid get creative, add their favorite toppings. The more colorful, the better. Once you have added all your toppings, we'll pop the nachos in the oven for a few minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And that's the same thing also when you put it in the microwave. So you need to watch your kids and let me know as they assemble their nachos together, laying the ingredients for the ultimate cheesy and crunchy experience. This is where the magic happens. Listen, the kids will love seeing their creation come to life. They will be so excited to sink their teeth into those crispy tortillas, chips, and gooey cheese. I kid you not.
Mi corazón, ven y mueve tu cuerpo al son. Las luces brillan, la fiesta empieza. El reggaetón nos enloquece. Dame la mano, vamos a bailar. Siente el ritmo, déjate llevar. No importa el lugar, no importa el momento. La pista de baile es nuestro sustento. Yeah. Esta fiesta no se detiene. La música nos envuelve, nos mantiene. Vamos todos a disfrutar, bailando reggaetón sin parar. Passato che è passato, ma come dimenticare? Mi manchi, io che sono vissuto, ho vissuto la felicità. Chi no, desiderio di amare. Mi manchi, io che sono vissuto, ho vissuto la felicità. Chi no, desiderio di amare. Il passato che è passato, ma come dimenticare? Mi manchi, io che sono vissuto, ho vissuto la felicità. Chi no, desiderio di amare. Mi manchi, io che sono vissuto, ho vissuto la felicità. Chi no, desiderio di amare.
So one thing I noticed as you make this, as you take the nachos out of the oven or the microwave, the aroma will fill the kitchen and everyone will be drooling in anticipation. It's time to dig in and enjoy the fruit of our labor. The best part of it is seeing the kids' face light up when they take their first bite. and realize that they helped and create something so delicious and simple. So the fun doesn't just stop here either. You can customize this recipe to any theme of your occasion. Maybe you have a movie night, you can add popcorn on it, or you have a sport theme snack where you can have colored tortilla chips. The possibilities are just endless, and the kids will love coming up with new ideas. So, well, to wrap up, we have created a fun and easy nacho recipe that the kids will enjoy in making and eating with the family. It's a great way to spend quality time together and create memories that will last for a lifetime. So if you have loved this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos. Let us know in the comment section what was your favorite nacho topping. Until I see you in the next one, stay focused and be a blessing.